Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. So I am on Blandford Road in Reading. I'm just going to slowly turn to give you an idea of the area. So as you can see, it is residential. It's a nice residential part of Reading. So the road just at the end here is Cressingham Road. At the top here, we've got the John Medeski Academy. And down the bottom is the Basingstoke Road, and there is supermarkets, including Morrison's, Lidl and Aldi, all down that way as well. Local shops nearby, and there is a bus service that goes on, sorry, not Cressingham Road, on Hartland Road. I do apologise. So yeah, Hartland Road at the end there. Property I'm bringing you is this one here. Now, this is a little bit different. And you will see as we walk round, but as you can see here, driveway parking for 2 cars. You've also got lots of on-street parking as well. But what we'll do, we'll head on in, and really good size hallway, nice and welcoming, certainly wide enough there for your shoes and coats. There's this lovely archway which takes you into the front reception room. And here we are, just to give you guys an idea of the size. There's a gas fire just here, but there is the chimney still there. So if you wanted to turn that back to a real fire, you can do. Good size window overlooking the front of the property, and it's lovely and bright in here as well. Coming back out and carrying on down the hallway, we are heading into your kitchen and another reception area. This property does have a good sized larder as well. And from here, I'm going to turn to the left. Now, this on the floor plan we have called a dining room or bedroom number 4. They currently use it as a bit of a storeroom, but when they have family that come and stay, they do use it as a bedroom. It has its own door, there is a window, and it is a decent sized room, and it will easily fit a double bed. This bit here is an IKEA day bed, so will pull out to be a double in size. Heading a bit further down into the kitchen, this is an extension that was done previously, and this is the sort of kitchen breakfast area. Really good size 6-ring gas burner, nice large sink there, and yeah, with their sofa, the American style fridge freezer, and the telly there, brilliant space for it all. And then this here is your rear garden. Now, I'll take you out there in just a moment, but I've got to show you down here first of all. So this is the utility space. So as you can see there, washing machine and tumble dry there. And then what was just the downstairs WC has now been converted into a downstairs shower room as well. All really well done. There we are. Right, let's head on outside, and before I take you upstairs. So out here we've got nice quiet rear garden. We've got a large storage shed just here, which is currently full of stuff, but it's a good dry space, and there's electric in there as well. So fantastic for storing bits and pieces. But this is something I wanted to show you. This is the studio that I've mentioned on the viewing, on the floor plan, sorry. So this is a self-contained studio. Now it's got electric panel heater just here. There is a built-in cupboard that could easily be turned into a wardrobe space. Lots of room down here if you wanted to put a small kitchenette. But it does have in here a fully plumbed in electric shower, wash basin and toilet. All plumbed in, all works, and this could be a fantastic extra little bit. There's all your pipe work, showing it's all been done properly as well. So whether or not you could rent this out, if you have someone who might come over and stay. I know for me, I'd put my teenage son in here, but it's a really good space. As you can see, he uses it for working, but there's so many options here for you. Landlord investors, you know, there's a potential room here for you to rent out, as well as in the main house. Right, so what we'll do, let's head on up. I'll take you upstairs. Let me just take my shoes off. So downstairs it's all hardwood or tile. Upstairs we're coming into carpeted area. So out of respect, taking the shoes off. And up here, it's really nice and spacious. So I'll take you into the box room. So this is the smallest room at the moment, but for a third bedroom, it's a good size. There is wardrobe here, which is freestanding, so you could soon get rid of that, but certainly big enough for a desk. There's a cupboard space just here, which is over the top of the stairs. But for a third bedroom, really good size actually. Could fit maybe a European double, but it's a good size single room. This here is the main bedroom. Really large double. Lovely and spacious. And then we've got fitted wardrobes just here in the corner. And then again, you've got these lovely big windows overlooking the front. There we are. Right. Head on over here. And this is bedroom number 2. Again, really good sized double. It has got some wardrobes there. Now again, they're freestanding, so they would go. But good, nice big windows, lets lots of light in as well. So lovely and bright throughout it there. All LED lights. And then in here is your family bathroom. So all white units, all really well done. And then your hot water tank is there as well. And that's the property. There is, sorry, one part I didn't mention. There is an attic space. It's possible but probable for more storage than anything. But this family have really enjoyed living here. Nice LED lights. I've really enjoyed living here, but they've decided that they are going to move on. They're looking for something a little bit bigger. So this is fantastic. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs with a family bathroom. Downstairs there's the room just here, which is currently being used as a bedroom. I've seen these front rooms turned into a bedroom, and then there's a downstairs shower room. You've got a communal area here. So potentially this has got 5 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, plus you then have the studio outside with another bedroom, a studio apartment. So you could have up to 6 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms in there. Landlord investors could really be interested in this, but we're not going to turn away first-time buyers or families, larger families that are looking for that space. If there's no other questions, what I'd love to do is sign off now. I really want to thank you for joining me as I have taken you around this property here in Blandford Road, and we really look forward to speaking to you soon and coming in for the private viewings. If there's no other questions, thank you very much guys, take care and have a great day. Bye bye.